Hello, traders. Good evening and welcome to Omega Stock Pro. And this is Jaiswan, and I welcome you all on the YouTube channel. Today, friends, actually, I want to discuss about the option chain indicator. It took a lot of difficulty for me to identify the concepts and logic and how the market is working with the option chain. So, being an expiry date today, that is in the month of January. So I have pulled the data and I have updated it, and I want to correlate the indicator with the charts as well. So actually, I was out of the market after 14:20, so I did not pull the data and did not update. So let us see what happened, and I think many people are waiting for this video. So I'm not going to explain the logic how it is working because if I myself forgot how I came here, but because I have the data before me, I can go back and analyze it. So let us see how it worked. And I encourage you to follow me on Telegram so that the timing which I have given the updates, so that you can cross check with it because I cannot change the timing of the Telegram. So you can cross check, you can see what the suggestions I gave during the market hours. And this is just outlook I am giving how it worked during the day. Okay, let us see. Let us move on to the uh, charts. So friends, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel if you like the video only. Otherwise, I am not interested in many people joining my channel. Okay. So if you are interested, then you can join and you can follow me on the Telegram group if you want to make profits. So okay, let us move. So morning gradually the market has slowly the indicator started moving up. And what happened here? So around 9:25, I think the market opened a huge gap down. So So this is the Zerodha platform I have taken. So market opened gap down, that is especially Bank Nifty I'm speaking about. So this came down and around it made a bottom of 29,000 something and 29,700 here. So this is the spot chart, and indicator did not show anything there, and all of a sudden at 11:20, this is 11:30. So 11:30 closing price I am taking. So let us see what happened. There was a slowly it was moving, and 11:30 closing time there was a huge spike in the indicator. Okay, let us see what happened in the chart. So if I go to 11:30, so let me plot a line here. So 11:30 is the opening candle, so this one. So in this candle, so just I'll keep just one candle left of this. This is the 5-minute candle I have taken, and here there was a spike. So spike means generally during the expiry days, what happens? Market comes a little bit and then it moves. So if you take the, if I am taking a 10-minute data or whenever the data comes, so when I've taken the two, if you take the average or here only see in the chart, there is no sign of buying. Okay, but let us say here it was closing, the closing is 30,020. So from 30,022 market moved up 100 points, and our stop loss is, if you take 100 points also, it did not come at all. Means what? When the smart money is active there, it will not allow the market to go down that much easily. One thing, so that is why our stop loss is not hit. So 100 points, I'm taking 100 points. This is Bank Nifty, and today the market was so volatile. So you can see how beautifully, so this here it is invisible. So 100 points, okay, straight away 2,500 rupees per lot. And what happened after that? So from here gradually it was moving, and suddenly there was a drop at around 12:20 closing. So 12:20 closing means, so if you take 12:20 closing, I'll move here 12:15 candle now. So this is 12:15 candle. So 12:15 candle here, there was a selling. You can see, sorry. Suddenly it dropped from this candle from around from top 25 to it dropped below 5. Huge divergence. So there is no much there was no movement in the price, please understand that. And here the momentum is up. And see how beautifully the next candle became bearish, and even if you short here, and from here 30 125 it went. Okay, here it became bearish, even though if we close the position here we bought now 30 20, and this is the closing price. So how much, calculate here, so 60 points, so 60 to 60 to 65 points I think. And here there was a huge divergence, and in that divergence, if you short here also, around it came down, there was a huge divergence. And from here, but in the price action there is no sign of bearishness. Okay, immediately we are going to short here, keep 100 or 120 150 points stop loss. See, there was a big drop. Okay, so friends, you can see this, and in the Telegram group I have updated that. And so since many people are interested in option chain indicator, it is very difficult to identify the trend using option chain, but nothing is impossible in this world if you try. Okay, so next is, there was a gradually it was moving up, it was not going down. Immediately there was a huge spike around 1300, that is 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock closing I am taking. So 1 o'clock closing means 12:55. See here, and this is 1 o'clock closing. 1 o'clock, that is 13.5 now. This is 1 o'clock closing. Came spike down. How much it came down? So closing 29,832. So around 150 points. If you take as a stop loss is not hit. It moved up. What I have watched is, generally during the expiry days, market does not give a move immediately. It goes around 100 points or 50 to 60 points. That's why today in the Telegram group also I suggested to buy or sell at a certain level. That is, here when I got a sell call, it told to sell around 30,000 14 to 15. So market came down. So because I am watching it, because I have invented this indicator, I know how it works. So 100 points, generally it goes up 50 to 60 points up and down during the uh, expiry days. On the other big trading days, this problem is not there. So within 30 to 40 points only, it will immediately move up or down, whichever the direction we are getting. So this is a beautiful this thing. And after that, you can see huge spike, that is double this. That means this position has to break out. So let us see what happened. I will just, so here we got the first buy signal, and 50% of this above it went, it broke this level and went and closed upwards. So friends, we got one swing here around 60 points. We got a sell this thing also before the moment came, because if you are sitting here at this point of view, people generally, if I am sitting here without this indicator, what will I think? I'll think that okay, market is going to go up from, I'll put stop loss somewhere here, or my stop loss is triggered. And even if I, in this place, if I buy, or here it is coming, it is a sell, again it is a sell here. Of course the market came down, that is another point here. But those who are very very advanced in price action, I think they need not do anything. But option chain indicator is a little bit advanced in giving you the signals, buy or sell. This is a market strength indicator. You can couple with the price action also, that is very beautiful. You can wait and see what is the happening, is it coming for the stop loss or not. Since if you have got a, just a moment, I'll put it here. Here we got a sell signal. So if you want to wait for the price action, you can wait. But I don't generally don't wait for price action, because when the price action comes, by the time the movement is over. So my actual price I determine between, because I have some formula, then I understand this is the average price. And here in this case also, if I buy, I know where to buy and where to put stop loss, because where it will not come. Sometimes there will be a huge spike, and stop loss will be taken. So here also we got a buy signal here, and you can wait for price action, because there is a another bullish candle here, and from there market went up. So friends, it's very difficult to find it such formulas. But what I'm saying is, nothing is impossible if you work hard, if you put your time, give your time to the market, it is possible that you will make money. And there is no other indicator which gives signals in advance except the option chain indicator. And I think you like the video. If possible, because people are not sharing this video with many people, so it is difficult for me to live stream this. And if I get views and if I get support, then I'll think of making this for Nifty, because Bank Nifty is very good, because 100 points we need to capture. In Nifty, 20 points, 25 points, if the volatility becomes very less, so it will not move at all. And the lot size is 75. It's all difficult. So 100 points, 2,500 rupees. So that depends upon the thing. And 100 points is very much sure we are getting. So since because today the market was very volatile, so no problem. If you have an indicator which gives signals in advance, there is no problem at all. So thank you very much. If you like the video, kindly give a thumbs up, share with your friends. And many people are joining our channel, and they are requesting for live streaming. So during the live market hours itself, I'll give this live streaming. So let us see how it goes. So thank you very much. Bye bye.